In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your Trello cards in one place. 5 minutes. Start by logging in to Trello. From any board or the home screen, look to the top right header and click your profile icon. That opens a quick menu with a cards option. Choose cards, and Trello will take you to a consolidated view of all the cards that involve you across every board you can access. This view is tied to your account and permissions, so it shows cards from boards you can see where you're a member, assigned, or watching. If something seems missing, it's usually because you're not a member of the card or you don't have access to that board, so ask a workspace admin to add you if needed. If you want to jump straight there next time, you can also type trello.com/my/cards in your browser. Bookmark that link so you're one click away from your full task list whenever you need it. Once you're on the cards page, use the sort dropdown. Switching to due date brings the most urgent items to the top, which is perfect for planning your day or week. Sorting by board groups cards by where they live, which is handy when you're focusing on a specific project or workspace. You can switch back and forth anytime, depending on what you're prioritizing. To narrow your list further, open the Filter Cards dropdown. Here you can filter by due dates, labels, or members. Due date filters help you isolate overdue or upcoming tasks. Labels are great for themes like priority, type of work, or status. Member filters are useful when you're triaging work assigned to or shared with specific teammates. You can combine multiple filters to create a tight focus, then clear them anytime to return to the full list. If your list is still long, use your browser's Find feature to quickly search within the filtered results. If you're trying to catch up on what just changed, use the filters to surface cards with recent activity. This view highlights cards with updates, comments, or moves, making it ideal for daily stand-ups or weekly reviews, so you can see what requires attention right now. When you spot a card you want to work on, simply click it. Trello will open the card and take you straight to the board where it lives, preserving all the context like lists, checklists, comments, and attachments. If you prefer to keep your cards list open, use your browser's Open a New Tab shortcut so you can hop back without losing your place. And that's it. Log in, open the cards page from your profile menu, or go directly to trello.com/my/cards, sort by what matters, refine with filters, and jump into any card with a click. Pin the page or bookmark it to make this your daily command center for an at-a-glance overview.